I'm Mariette Barsoum, owner of Divine Design Center in Boston, Mass. At Divine, we're all about how you live. It is very important. Our homes are our sanctuary, especially in the last few years. So it is very important for us at Divine to make sure that you are getting the dream home that you are looking for.
Hi, my name is Gaia. I'm an interior designer here at Divine. I come from Europe. I grew up in Russia in a big family of very creative people. I studied interior design and I came here to the States 5 years ago for the opportunities and to follow my dreams.
Hi, my name is Samantha and I'm a senior designer here at Divine. I decided to work for Divine because I wanted to work for a modern showroom. I wanted to be involved in every aspect of the design process, from picking out, cabinetry to doing full interior design, and I thought Divine has a beautiful showroom in Boston that is going to, offer so many options for people where I can do the entire home.
We started our company about 20 years ago out of small suburbs in Boston. It was a very, very small showroom, 900 square feet. Took all of our savings and we started the showroom and we never looked back.